What's up, guys? So if you ever wondered how to change your receptacle out to one of these with a USB port on them, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So as you see here, I have a quadplex receptacle, and I want to change one of these to a receptacle because this is a perfect spot for people to charge their devices, their iPhones, iPads, what have you. Safety is first priority, so we're going to go shut off the breaker out here on the main panel. And they should be labeled, these ones here. So I'm going to try these two right here. These are double pull breakers, so I'm going to pull those two. As you can see, there's no light, so the power is shut off. You can check both receptacles just in case. And it looks like we're all shut off now, so you're ready to proceed to take off the cover. So now we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and remove the two screws. And just for some people, if you ever take the faceplate off and if you had recently painted, you might want to run an X-Acto blade around the edges so it doesn't peel your paint off. Okay, so I had removed the two screws off the device right here. One was up here and the other was down here. So now you're ready to go ahead and pull out the device. So you see we have one hot. We got a neutral over on the other side, and we got the ground down here, which is really tight, and I can't pull this out anymore. Somebody had really not given you much room to wiggle with right here, so it's alright. We're gonna go ahead and work with it. So okay, so we're just gonna loosen these screws counterclockwise, and here's your hot wire. And it's looped, so you don't have to get it unlooped a bit. There's your hot wire. We're gonna loosen your neutral. There we go. Okay guys, so typically on these devices you're gonna see a gold screw, which is gonna be your hot. The silver screw will be your neutral, and back here the green screw will be your ground. And there's my ground, bare copper. Here's my neutral. Here's black, which is usually your hot. So a trick for this of adding your wires to your screws is where the loop is. Make sure you have it clockwise so that when you tighten the screw, it'll create a tighter bond with the wire. So there's the black, which is going to go in your gold screw, and you're going to tighten it clockwise, just like so. And throw it around that silver screw for your neutral. Now to recap, I got my hot wire on the gold screw, my neutral on the silver, and my ground, bare copper, on the green. Now at this point, you're ready to shove the device back into the box. Grab a drill, whatever you got, and screw the device back into the box. So before I put my plate on, I'm going to go ahead and flip the breaker on and see how it works. As you can see, my wireless charger now has a green light. Thanks for watching.